This ought to get you revved up. It's a 2024 Corvette Z06 supercar. This thing's 670 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. It's crazy, and it's loaded with all the luxury options. If this were a Ferrari or a Lamborghini with similar equipment, it would cost far more than this car costs. It's the torch red with the all tan interior. How classic is that? This one's got a whole load of extra options on it as well. It's a convertible. I don't know if I mentioned that to you, and wait till you hear it start later in the video. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions. We got 200 classic cars for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment on it, including this one right here. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This still has the remainder of the warranty. I think it's just under 2 years, the warranty. Now, the Z06 is different than the Stingray. The standard Stingray is different. This has a different front fascia. The body is 3.5 inches wider to accommodate the wide tires. These scoops, the air inlets for the radiators, are extra wide on the Z06. I don't need to talk about the car's condition. It's got 76 actual miles on it. It's pristine. It's still in the wrappers. The rear tail is different on the Z06. I think the spoiler is different. It has 4 exhaust tips where the Stingray has 2. And these are black tips. He paid extra for that. Has the carbon flash trim. That's the black metallic painted trim. It has the Stinger wheels, I think they're called. 20s in back, I believe. 19s up front. They're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires, but really good optional wheels, good looking wheels. It has the carbon fiber down on the bottom and the air splitter up front. Now let me see if we can demonstrate that convertible top. You can do it right here from the key fob. The windows will go down and the whole thing folds up. Just the click of a button. You have to do nothing. Even the little rear window goes down. And as I said, the car is pristine, like brand new, and it's got all the great features. Very high-tech car. So let's show you the interior, and we'll open it up for you. You open the compartments right here from the key fob, and there's a surprising amount of space. It comes with all this stuff. Why it still smells like a brand new car? Well, it is. These are the floor mats. They were $150. Looks like a battery tender. They paid extra for that. A front license plate bracket. There's a little cargo net in there. So this will all come with the car, obviously. Unfortunately, you can't really see the motors in these. It's buried underneath the panel. But we can see the interior. It's natural dipped is the color. It's all tan. It does have some black trim, but a lot of them, if you got a red interior, you got red seats and the black dash. This is just about all tan. Also has the optional stealth package, the black around the speakers there that would normally be silver. So it has a variety of blacked out trim. That was an option. All digital screen. I'm not even going to pretend like I know what everything does, but it is just out of this world as far as technology. Look at all the controls here, heated and cooled seats and cruise control, and here's your cup holders. Here's your shifters right here. We'll turn this off. Oh, I turned it back on. And everything's still in the wrappers down on the floor, the seats, the plastic, all still on here. Even the screen still has plastic on it. And these are GT Sport seats. These were optional seats. It has the square carbon fiber steering wheel with all the hand controls, paddle shifters. It's a lot of fun shifting like that. The Alcantara trim up the pillars and on the visors. I think, don't quote me, I think the mirror might be a backup camera. No, it might be right in the screen there. I could be wrong about that. So yeah, brand new interior, and they are exciting interiors. As the owner's manual still in the pouches. In the glove box, Now, I forgot to mention when we were talking about the exterior, this also has the power front lift. If you're coming into your driveway and it's low, you can actually raise the car up so you don't scrape. And it has memory. So if you pull into your driveway, again, I'm not sure how it works, but it has a memory. It will know to automatically raise pulling into your driveway. That's a desirable option, especially with this carbon fiber splitter on the front. And on the remote, you can open the front compartment. There's more space, and the car is practically brand new. I think 76 miles as of now, and we have no plans on driving it. Unfortunately, we're not going to let Michael take this one out, but we will start it for you in a second. And this has soft close. You just push it down and it latches. Same thing in the back. So we are going to fire it up for you, and you're going to really enjoy that. So we couldn't see the motor, but I didn't really talk about it either. The Z06 is a completely different engine. It's not just a souped up engine that's in the Stingray. It's a flat plane, 5.5 liter, making 670 horsepower. No superchargers, nothing like that. It's got the red calipers as well, huge calipers on the big disc brakes at all four of the wheels. That was another option. As far as all the suspension, it's all adjustable. You have different settings for sport mode, and that changes the exhaust note. It's a magnetic suspension. You can read up and Google and find out much better information than I could try giving you about the car. But don't compare this to the others. This is a Z06 convertible, torch red with the all-tan interior and a whole list of great options. This is a special car. It's available right now, still under factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. All you got to do is give us a call, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions like how to get this delivered to your home, how to finance it if you need to. Thanks for watching.